So this is the Red Box Gallery, which is the gallery of this village. The post boxers decided to use theirs as a small gallery, which is quite cool. So this is a coffee shop called the Back Centre, and it's got a little museum. We ain't got time to visit it today, unfortunately, which is a shame. Got a very natural garden though, beautiful. I found a gate to nowhere. So we're walking up between a stream and a river. We've got a stream on this left side and a river over to the right. Well, a small river, it's not even a big river, as you can see. We've had a lot of heavy rainfall here, so I think we can assume it's just water running down from all the rainwater that dropped earlier in the day. So we're actually doing an adventure lab here, but we're also going to try and find a geocache as well. There's a physical one in this location somewhere. So this is an old barn on a property here, and then we're right next to the church. We're going to walk through the churchyard. Gravestone there. The gravestone is just tagged onto the end of the wall. It's a very small church. You go down there to do what you do. Let's quickly look at this church. This little bell tower. It's a really small church, guys. Try and keep out of the way of the gravestones. Apologies. As we come down here to the gate. So that gravestone there, that's from 1899. So it is quite an old church, this. I wanted to show it here. I'm not going to go into details. I've not got a lot of time in this village. But we are really in Middle England now, guys. It's a beautiful part of England. Is Oxfordshire. Oh, they're not quite ready yet. and make some amazing conkers. I think that's what they are, conker trees, isn't it? How awesome is that for a garden? I can't believe that's a garden. I can't believe he set a moat up in his garden. That's awesome. Look, look, it's got a little duck ramp and everything. Oh, how awesome is that? Imagine that being your garden. That's awesome. So there we go, another geocache done. And yeah, nice easy container. So that's another one done in Oxfordshire. Thanks for joining us today on this walk around Brightwell, Sotwell. Please remember to subscribe for more videos and check out the playlist. Thank you.